Ooh. It is Friday. It is Friday. It is Friday. It is Friday. I've never been so hyped for a Friday to come. Yo, so it's Friday. And I'm actually about to head out and go to work. But when I get off of work, we have a lot of things to do, a lot of things to tackle, because tomorrow I have a photo shoot. I have a photo shoot that I'm gonna talk about more later, but I have things beforehand that I need to do, stores I need to run to and do a lot, and I have a list of things that I have to get through. So I just wanted to like start this video, say good morning, hello, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm Lex Viana. This is my channel. I feel like I'm being so animated right now, but no, I'm actually about to head out. I need to head out for work. Got my cozy sweater on because, you know, New York has officially entered winter. Winter has entered the chat. It's cold. It's really, really cold. So yeah, Bumpin' Chicks Tape 5. Yeah, this is 5. I just had to look at my phone. Bumpin' Chicks Tape 5, bomb.com. I gotta run some songs back, but my review so far, the shit is lit. Like, it's a vibe. It's definitely a vibe. I love Tory Lanez, but it's just a vibe. Okay, so let me grab my jacket and get myself together. So I can talk about some of the errands that I have to run when I get off. One being, I have to go to Soho. If you guys watch previous vlogs, and if you haven't, go stop and go watch those. I'm about the journey of me wanting to go to Soho and shop the other day. I think that's the vlog before this one. But that just didn't happen because I believe that was the same day I went to go see Wendy Williams. So yeah, go check out that vlog if you have not. And today I have to go. So I have to go to Soho. Oh, my camera's about to die. Gotta grab the good charger, so I'm gonna charge this when I get to work. But we'll talk more when I get off of work then, since my camera's about to die. But Soho's gonna be my first stop, so I'll just go ahead and check in when I'm like on my way there. So see you guys later. Mwah. Okay, so the errands begin. I'm about to run to the beauty supply store because I have to get some stuff from my hair for it to like stay curly. I use this stuff called Hawaiian Silk and water. It has like a little bit of conditioner in it, and I'm completely like out of my Hawaiian Silk, so gotta go there to get some more, and then from there I'm going to go to Soho. Where would it be is the question. Let's see. Hawaiian Silk. It's a very distinctive bottle. With like a pump on it. Oh, they're playing music. So let me look for this and I'm gonna check in with y'all. Okay, so I just got to the Soho area. I'm about to walk to the Zara. That beauty supply store, unfortunately, did not have the Hawaiian Silk that I was looking for. So depending on what time I get done, I'm gonna go to, I'm out of breath from all the damn steps. I'm gonna go to a beauty supply store that I know exactly has it, so I don't have to keep doing all this running around, because I ain't trying to be out here all night to get this stuff done. So the goal is to find something. I need at least 2 outfits, 2 looks. I would like to have maybe 3, like 2 in a possible, just in case, like, you know, just cause the shoot's tomorrow. So I mean, at this point, what's the just cause? But you know, just for me, hold on, I gotta pull out my GPS. I always get like lost once I get off the freaking, I think I gotta walk down some more. Okay, yeah, I gotta walk down some more. So that's like the goal. So to find 2 pieces that's like sparkly, girly, either black, white, or red is the looks that I'm going for. Something that stands out, something eye-catching, something that I can see myself wearing like maybe all 4 seasons, that just fit better for all 4 seasons, because these pictures is like something that I want to use like multi-purpose, and I don't want them to just be used for like the winter time or anything like that. So those are the main goals. Hopefully I can accomplish them. I feel like I can. I feel very confident that I can get this done the day before. I'm a really big like work well under pressure type of person, so we're gonna see what we come up with. I'm literally coming to the best spot to shop at, so somebody gotta have some type of stupefied hot shit. Somebody does. So yeah, okay. Well, lights on me to go. It's not that cold out here, which is like amazing because ain't nobody got time being cold today. Oh, let me make sure I'm going in the right direction. Let's see. So already walking in, I see there is just like so much cute, fun pieces. Ooh. So this is gonna be fun. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Good morning. So yesterday was just a lot. Let's just get into yesterday. So I got off work and I went to Soho. I went to Zara. I spent a good amount of time in Zara. I showed you guys all the pieces I had tried on, and none of those pieces worked for me. Like none of them. Like it was one piece that I loved. It was a 2-piece set, but the top, because of, you know, the girls, it just did not close, and I just needed to like a bigger size. And of course they didn't have a bigger size, so I couldn't get that. So I ended up just leaving and going to H&M. I found a dress. It was like, I just got it because I tried it on, it was cute, and I needed options. It was getting later, so I just picked it up just because, but I know for a fact that I'm not wearing that. Like, that's probably gonna go back because I'm never gonna wear it. And then from there, I went into this other store down Soho. It's called Mystique, and it has like really cute pieces in there. Like club pieces, trendy glam pieces, like a statement, I'm going to an event, trying to step out pieces. Like, it's like a mix. So I ended up getting something from there. Really excited about that. This is like my extra glam look. So I'm like, you know, happy to put that on and got that squared away. So I did get one look. And then I went to Forever 21. That was a fail. I then even went to the Forever 21 in Times Square because that one's bigger and better. Still could not find anything in Forever 21. It's just like, I'm really outgrowing Forever 21. The only thing I think I like more in there is like their accessories and their jackets, in which they are having a buy one, get one half off coat sale in there. I was really tempted to get some coats, but I had to stay focused. I just felt like yesterday was havoc. Yesterday was completely havoc, but I kind of got everything together. I got my looks together. I am about to run the rest of my errands and get like finishing touches. It is, I think it's like 10 o'clock. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock. So I'm trying to get out the house in like the next 15, 20 minutes to go pick up the last things. I have to be to the makeup artist because today is shoot day. Today I am shooting my pictures and I'm bringing you guys along with me. So you know what? Yeah, I'm like low-key like really excited. So I have to go get my makeup done and I have to go and be there by 5:30. She's like 30 minutes from me. So I'm trying to get myself like be ready to go by 4:30, just so I don't want to be late. Everything needs to be like tip-top, professional, like in order. That's why I have like some last minute things I have to go pick up to just make sure that I think I'm gonna go get my nail color changed. When I got my nails done, I literally just like picked a color because I didn't know what color to get, and that never happens. And I think it was mostly because of the guy who usually does my nails was not there, and then I went all the way there and I was just like, I need my nails done really bad. I'm just gonna let my backup do it. But he just still did not deliver the way that I needed them to be. So I think I'm gonna go get my nails done. I'm trying to figure out what kind of nail I do. Yeah, if I go there, I need to go there first. And I have like some odds and ends I need to pick up. So before I do any of that, I need to do a mask. I'm gonna start my day by doing a mask. So I went to Sephora yesterday and I got some samples because my esthetician, I cannot say that, told me to try this mask. And I'm trying to find the name of the mask. Okay, so I got a whipped argan oil face butter by Josie Moran. And then I got the Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask by Pharmacy. So, I'm gonna do the mask. This is how it looks. It's like literally honey. And then the moisturizer. So, yeah. This is how the mask looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog off, and I'm gonna go ahead and start my next vlog. So make sure you subscribe and come back so you guys can see that and see how my photo shoot went and follow me along. So see you guys later.